Hey guys, I'm Alex. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, visit my backyard tour at night. Round 202 million. Visit my practice facility 20 by 20. There's the open practice field. Right there, see? Bam. Yeah, guys, it's gonna storm, so we gotta hurry up. Bia! Holy God! Good God! Bia! Bia! Gosh! God! Holy God! There's the football corridor. Football corridor! There's the lacrosse golden rebounder. There's the lacrosse path. With my dad's 2016. With my dad's 2019. Wait, no. With his 201 cup cassette. Or the Husqvarna. The Husqvarna. Husqvarna! Yes, guys, I'm gonna make this quick. Here's the hot tub and dock box. Here's the spare locker room. Here's the facility. God. Coughing. As you guys come into the facility, guys, we have extra team space right here. Got my dad's tractor ready for the snow coming. Friday's supposed to rain, we're gonna get snow. Here's my dad's tractor. Yes, guys, I'm playing running back this year. Here's the game field in 2021. Yes, guys, I'm trying not to fall. We're halfway down. Here is the Kubota Fun Zone. Yeah, guys, it's gonna storm. We gotta hurry up. Bia! Holy God! Good God! God! There's that, guys. There's that. Bia! Holy God! Good God! God! It's gonna snow. I guarantee you. Friday's supposed to rain, we're gonna get snow. This is the shed. Yes, guys, I do not have school. I go to the Calabasas Community School. There's where the Cub Cadets go. There's that. There's that over there, guys. There it is. Yes, guys, I'm under 4 lawsuits.